Hello guys, welcome to Anon TechTube. Today I am going to talk about how to fix this following error while turn on virtual operating system on VMware Player in any Linux operating system. Okay guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I am going to open VMware Player. Okay, now turning on the Windows 11 guest operating system. Okay, you can see I am getting this error. Click on OK. Failed to initialize monitor device. Again click OK. You can see it's automatically closed the VMware player. Okay, now going to fix this error. Open the terminal and also open this command list. It is in the description. Now copy the first command and paste it in the terminal. Then press enter. Here type your administrator password, then press enter. Okay, clear the terminal. Now is the next command. Copy the command and paste it in the terminal. Then press enter. Next command. Simply copy the command and paste it in the terminal. Then press enter. Next command. Copy the command and paste it in the terminal. Then simply press enter. Next command. Copy the command and paste it in the terminal. Then press enter. Okay, copy the next command and paste it in the terminal. Then simply press enter. Here input your administrator password and press enter. Again input the administrator password and press enter. Now simply reboot your machine. Okay, after successfully restart your machine, open the terminal and this command list. Now copy the last command and paste it in the terminal and then press enter. You can see I got a output. VMware 15 DER is already enrolled. That means it's fixed. Now close the terminal. Alright. Now open the VMware Player. Then let's open the Windows 11 guest operating system. Alright. This time I didn't get any error and Windows 11 is starting. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you again.